supply definitions. If other things do not change, then the quantity supplied of a commodity decreases with every decreases in its price and increases with every increases in its price. Or positive relation between price and quantity is called a law of supply. Schedules. First column show a price, second column show a supply. Explanations. According to these schedules, we have two columns. First is price and second is supply. When price 2, then supply 10. When price from 2 to 4, then supply increases from 10 to 20. And price continuously increase and supply same increases. Okay, now we can explain our diagram. OX measured quantity, OY measured price. Quantity 10, 20, 30, 40, price 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. When price 2, then quantity 10. When price increase, quantity increase, price continuously increase, quantity continuously increase. Intersect each point. This curve will show supply curve point A, B, C, D. Explain. According to this diagram, as prices increases, the quantity supplied is also increasing as shown by the movement from point A to C. Similarly, as the price decreasing, the quantity supplied also decrease as shown by the movement from point C to A. Assumptions. Following assumptions are as under: no change in cost of raw materials. It is assumed that there is no change in the cost of raw material because change in the cost of raw material may affect the supply of that commodities. Number 2, no change in transportation cost. It is assumed that there is no change in the transportation cost because this change may also affect the supply of a commodity. Number 3, no change in rate of taxes. As change in the rate of taxes also affect the supply of a commodity, therefore it is assumed that rate of tax should remain same. Number 4, no change in wage rate. It is assumed that there is no change in the wage rate. Number 5, no change in method of production. It is believed that the change in the method of production also affect the supply of commodity, so it is assumed that method of production should also remain unchanged. Number 6, no change in weather. The change is weather also affect the supply of a commodity, hence it is also assumed that there should be no change in weather. Number 7, no change in law. There should be no change in law because it may also affect the supply of a commodity. नाउ वी कैन एक्सप्लेन अ लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई इन उर्दू. लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई होता है कानून रसद. कानून रसद ये होता है कि जब किसी चीज़ की कीमत में इजाफा होता है तो उसकी क्वांटिटी में भी इजाफा होना शुरू हो जाता है, और जब किसी चीज़ की कीमत में कमी होती है तो क्वांटिटी में भी कमी आ जाती है. मतलब कि जैसे जैसे कीमत में इजाफा होगा रसद में इजाफा होगा, कीमत में कमी से रसद में कमी होगी. पॉजिटिव रिलेशन बिटवीन प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी इज कॉल्ड द लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई.